have a main man. And I think it's a good thing when you don't have a main man because
everyone chips in.
Because I feel like when you have a main striker, everybody is looking for this person. So it's like whoever has the ball is always like, where's the striker? We need to get the ball to him. Now they know there's no main man. Everybody has to put a shift in.
To be the main man.
Yeah, everybody's need. And I like that we have a team, not just one player. Yes, Saka. You could say Saka is our main guy because of his stats, his numbers, and that. But overall, everybody's chipping in. Ben White, our centre back, are scoring goals.
What a goal!
You know what I mean? I think he scored the best goal of the night.
Great goal, Bobby.
What is this idiot talking about, bruv? Oh, I'm glad that we don't have a main man. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This guy looking like some B-Tech flipping Eminem from 8 Mile. I don't need this flipping Charlie Sloth looking Eminem from 8 Mile talking absolute pucaria, bro. At the end of the day, you man weren't saying that when we went on a 3-game stretch where we didn't win. Yeah, when we lost to West Ham, Fulham, and Liverpool, you man were crying out for a striker. When we had 30 odd shots against West Ham and we lost, you man said, oh, because we don't have a target man. So what are we going to do in games like that? Because we had no answer against Porto when we didn't have a target man. You finished up with that. What were you saying then? What were you saying then? Because you wasn't saying this. But now that, oh, but we'll move it. Oh, no, but we don't need a target man. We don't need a target man. Okay, cool. So the end of the season, I don't want to hear none of these finished up with telling me, oh, but we didn't have a striker. Because these man love to overgas it, yeah? All of a sudden now we got Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz has scored what? 7 goals in 26 appearances. Is that clinical? Is that good enough? A Jesus that a lot of this fan base I'm hearing are saying they're turning on. Oh, all of a sudden, oh, Kai Havertz isn't good enough. Oh, do you know what I mean? Oh, Jesus, he doesn't score enough goals. He's not clinical enough. I wouldn't mind getting rid of him. These finished up with the chat. Rubbish. Yeah? How do we break down low blocks? How do we break down mid blocks? Because I don't know. Oh, you said a low block. It's a mid block. How do we break it down? Explain to me how Arteta breaks it down, because I'm yet to see any comment about how Arteta sets us up to break down low blocks or mid blocks. I'm sick and tired of this rubbish, bro. You need different tools to do different jobs, and that is the problem. We've got too many players that are like for like. When the system is nullified, we don't have someone that's going to get you goals and do individual brilliance. We have a team of players, yeah, that excel when the team is excelling. That is the problem. This is why when we come up against a team like Porto, we didn't do anything. The system wasn't working. Are we surprised that our front three wasn't sourcing? Our midfield wasn't? They're not sourcing because they're not individuals like that. We used to have individuals like that. Aubameyang used to perform in a team that was toxic and negative. And, oh, we need to get rid of the team and we need to break it up. He was able to perform even when we didn't even rate the whole squad. Even when we needed a complete overhaul of the whole squad, he was still able to perform. Alexis Sanchez, I remember seeing him getting the ball by halfway line, taking on 3-4 man, and then slapping it top bins, creating something from nothing. We don't have those players. We don't have a Salah. We don't have players like that. Do you know what I'm saying? That regardless of the system, have moments of brilliance where they get you over the line by themselves. We don't have that. So what are you talking about? We don't need a striker. Themselves. We don't have that. So what are you talking about? We don't need a striker. We don't need a striker. So what was that whole debate going into January? Osimhen or Tony? Or maybe we'll go for Sesko and all that. Or all of a sudden we don't need it. Oh, just the same way that we didn't need any more signings last January when I said that we needed signings. Yeah. When we said we needed signings, everyone told me, no, but we're okay. We're top of the league. We don't need anything else. And then at the end of the season, what was the excuse? These finished up puta came out with the same excuse. Oh, we needed to buy more in January. We needed a striker. We needed this. We needed that. Cala boca, so filho da puta. Isso me irrita, isso me estressa minha cabeça. Não preciso dessa porcaria. I don't care, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't care. Do you know what I'm saying? Nah, bro. This guy looking like the guy, bro. This guy looking like that Lucas guy from Little Britain, bro. The one that wants Bitty. What are you chatting around? What are you chatting about, bro? I don't need this guy, Bubba Sparks, aka flipping the partner of Devon Dudley from the WWE. I don't need you to tell me that we don't need a striker, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? We do need a striker. Do you know what I'm saying? It's always lowering the bar, lowering the standards. Oh, we don't need it. Oh, the going's good. But as soon as everything goes to crap, oh, we should have got a striker. Why is it always shoulda, woulda, coulda? Why is it always reactionary FC? What about proactive FC? What about that? No, but it's okay. It's all right. If you talk about the striker that they all wanted, Nah, you're toxic and negative. Why are you talking like that? Look at what we're doing right now. We're sourcing right now. Bro. These are the things that annoy me, bro. They annoy me because at the end, because a lot of this fan base will be like, oh, well, what Yardi said we don't need a striker. Oh, well, we don't need a striker. Shut up, man. Shut up. What are you chatting about? Do you know what I'm saying? Bro, we've got 3 strikers and none of them are clinical. Nketiah ain't clinical. Yeah, everybody that told me to apologize to Eddie Nketiah, yeah? What now? Because no one's asking for Nketiah to be starting games. We've got Kai Havertz that all of a sudden he's clinical. He's clinical, yeah? We've seen him miss sitters this season. Seen him miss absolute sitters. So não vem aqui me falar da toa e me foder a cabeça, yeah? Não vem aqui me estressar, yeah? Because eu tô por aqui. And then we've got Jesus, somebody that a lot of people, oh, well, we can get rid of Jesus. Doesn't matter. We can get rid of Jesus. This time, it's fine if he goes. We can get rid of him. Cala a boca, sua marica da merda. Tô cansado, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? These men get overly excited, bro. Overly excited. I'm done, bro. I'm done with this guy, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? What are you chatting about? Flipping hell. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, we move on to the next one, man. Move on.